The Universal Works platform is our latest addition to the impressive inventory of our R&D team. It is indigenous, commercially viable, fast, safe, and a completely portable answer to the most time-consuming, labor-intensive, costly construction operations done by conventional scaffoldings. The Universal Mast Climbing Works platform can be used for aluminium or glass cladding, bricklaying, external plastering, painting, etc. It is a perfect solution for repair and maintenance work and can be used to carry delicate material such as bathroom fittings,